If you've been trying to learn how to use Canva for your business or brand or work or to create graphics for whatever it is that you do, you're in the right place, because in this video I'm going to show you how you can get started with Canva and what are the different things you can do with Canva. So keep watching. Also, if you're interested in learning more about how to use online marketing tools to start and grow your business, don't forget to hit subscribe to this channel and hit that bell notification. So let's get into it. Okay, so let's talk about how you can start using Canva. If you're new to Canva, when you go to canva.com, you'll have to create an account. You can create an account using your Google login or any other email address. Again, Canva is free to get started with. You can use a lot of Canva features for completely free. It is a great tool if you're looking to create social media graphics, YouTube thumbnails, even short videos, presentations, worksheets, invoices, logos, story templates, wallpapers. There's tons of different things you can do with Canva, and they keep adding new stuff to their platform. They recently have added the content planner, which you can use, so you can connect your Facebook page or your LinkedIn page to Canva and directly schedule posts from the Canva platform. They also recently have created a feature where you can go live with a presentation and invite people to join on the presentation. They have also started with GIFs, and they try out different things. So there's a ton of different features that you can use inside of Canva. Of course, the best way to learn the platform would be to just sign up on canva.com and start practicing, start trying out different features. The more you practice, the better you will create. So in this video, I just want to show you what the different features are and how you can get started. I'll also show you the templates that are available for you if you want to use them. If you don't want to start from scratch, or if you're not great at design, that's completely okay. You can still use this platform. It is really easy to use. So when you log into Canva for the first time, you'll see this dashboard. You'll have all of these things on the left, and you'll have this big button that says create a design. That's the easiest place to start, but I'll just show you around. So if you have bought Canva templates from an online marketplace, or if someone has shared a Canva template with you, you'll be able to see that here. You can go ahead and create your brand kit as well. So what that means is you can add your brand logos here, you can add your brand colors here, you can add your fonts here. Also, if you use a font that's currently not available in Canva, maybe you've downloaded it on the internet, or if you've bought a font online, you can upload that font here. So you will just scroll down and you have this option to upload a font. It's pretty easy to use, and you can have all your branding stored in one place. Then, like I said, you have the content planner, which you can use. So if you have designs saved in Canva, you can just go ahead and schedule those on different platforms. So if I click here on the plus sign, it shows me my recent designs, it shows me some templates. I could choose something, and I could, when I click on it, it took me to this place to edit this image. Let's go back, and you can maybe choose something you've created. So it'll just ask you where you want to schedule it and for when. So you can change the date and time here. You can choose the destination. So you'll have to again connect your account. So you can just click here, schedule to. You can choose which account you want to connect, and then it'll ask you to connect that account, and you can just log into that account and get connected. So pretty easy to use. You can create a team here, you can create folders. I will highly suggest you to create folders, because when you get started with Canva, you practice different designs, you do a lot of things, and suddenly your designs are all over the place. This happened to me when I started with the platform. So make sure you always are creating folders. They'll all appear here. So I have recently started, creating folders for the different businesses, and they appear here. Or you can just click here and look at all your folders right here. The things here are all starred. So if you favorite something, they'll all appear here. But under all your folders, you'll be able to see all of your folders. And then there are multiple templates. So if you just scroll here, you'll be able to see n number of different templates available for you. If you want to get into marketing or creating an infographic, newsletter, proposal, or maybe like a personal invitation card, business presentation, logos, different things, right? So you can do tons of different things in Canva, and you have templates available from almost everything. The one feature that I really like in Canva is they have trending templates available. So for example, Mother's Day is coming up, so they have a template for Mother's Day cards. Again, really helpful. If you just click on it, if I wanted to create an Instagram story template, if I click on it, it'll show me all the different templates, and it'll also give me an option to create a blank Instagram story. So if I don't want to use any of these templates, I can just click on create a blank Instagram story, and it'll give me a blank slate to get started with. And again, you can customize each template based on your needs. So based on your brand colors, based on the font you like to use, you can add your logo. So for example, if I like this template, I could just click on it here. And then I could, say use this template, or I could just like it here and it would appear under my likes folder. So I will just click on use this template. And then I could just edit the text. I could just, so anything that you want to edit, you just have to click on that particular element, and you could crop this, you could flip this. So if I flip it horizontal, flip it vertical, you can do those things. You can change the position. So which means if I click on position and push this backward, this element will basically go towards the end. So if I have to drag this here and welcome to Canva, if I want that element to go backward and the flowers to come in the front, I will just go to position and click on backward. So you see this welcome to Canva text has gone behind those flowers. So that's just helpful if you're overlapping different elements. You can use the delete button on your keyboard to delete this. You can also drag different elements. So if I wanted to drag it here, you could just click on it and drag. And remember, to edit anything, you just have to select that element and you'll have different options to edit. So if I want to edit this text, I could choose a different font, I could increase the size, I could choose a different color. So I will just click on color and then go here. And if I know the hex code of the color I want to use, I can just put that here, or I can choose from my brand colors. And then you can also make it bold, italic. You can, push it in the center or push it to the side. You can also have effects. This is also pretty new. So, you have different effects available for you, different color effects. You can also make it curve, which is also a new feature in Canva. So tons of different things that you can do. Now, if you are starting with a design from scratch, all you have to do is click on create a design, and you can choose a custom size. So if you're creating something that's custom for a work presentation or for your business, you could use that custom size, or you could select from the different options that are available here. So let's select Instagram post. So when I click on it, it opens this blank slate. I can also look at the templates here. So I could search for templates if I have something specific in mind, or I could just choose templates that are shown here. I could then, like I said, edit. So if I wanted to change this blue, I could just select it and change the color to something that's more of my brand color. So just changing the elements here. I could also change the background color. So I've selected the background and I could change the color here. And then, you could change the font here if you wanted to. You could change the size of the text. You could add effects. So if you wanted to curve it, you could do that. So tons of different things. And then when you're done with this, all you have to do is click on download, and you can download it as a PNG, JPG, or if you want to download it as a PDF, you can do that. Also, you can create GIFs. So you could just duplicate this page and maybe remove this, and if I wanted to push this page up, I would just click this. So then this would, like, if I download it as a GIF, so if I chose GIF here, this would basically become a GIF, right? So again, tons of different features available. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you're interested in learning more about Canva and how you can use different marketing technologies that are available online for your business, don't forget to hit subscribe to that button. Also check out my other Canva videos, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video.